Hey everyone, and welcome to Arsikere. Nestled in the heart of Karnataka, this quaint town is a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. Whether you're an avid traveler or someone looking for a peaceful retreat, Arsikere has something for everyone. Have you heard of it? If not, you're in for a treat. Arsikere is not just another dot on the map, it's a place brimming with history, culture, and natural beauty. It's a hidden treasure in Karnataka, India. Imagine a place where the hustle and bustle of city life fades away, replaced by the serene sounds of nature and the warm smiles of the locals. Imagine bright green fields and soft rolling hills all around. The landscape here is nothing short of breathtaking, with every corner offering a new vista to marvel at. Time seems to slow down here. The town's name comes from a queen's pond. Yes, you heard that right. The name Arsikere is derived from Arsikere, which means Queen's Pond in Canada. They say a Hoysala princess swam there long ago. This pond is not just a body of water, it's a piece of history, a living testament to the town's royal past. Today, Arsikere is a cool mix of old and new. As you walk through its streets, you'll see a blend of traditional architecture and modern amenities, making it a unique place to explore. It's a charming town where tradition meets progress. The locals take pride in their heritage while embracing the conveniences of modern life. The air is fresh and life is relaxed. Arsikere is ready to welcome you. Whether you're here to unwind or to explore, you'll find that the pace of life here is refreshingly slow. Get ready to explore its secrets. From its historical landmarks to its natural beauty, Arsikere is a place that promises to leave you with unforgettable memories. So pack your bags and get ready for an adventure like no other. Arsikere has a really interesting past. This quaint town, nestled in the heart of Karnataka, India, is a treasure trove of history and culture. Its name is derived from Arasi, meaning queen, and Kere, meaning lake, hinting at its royal connections and the beautiful lake that once adorned the town. As you wander through its streets, you can almost feel the pulse of history beneath your feet. You can almost hear it whispering stories from long ago. The ancient walls of the temples and the old streets seem to echo with the voices of the past. Each stone, each carving, tells a tale of a bygone era, of kings and queens, of battles and celebrations. The air is thick with the scent of history, inviting you to delve deeper into its mysteries. The Hoysala dynasty, powerful rulers for many years, left their mark here. Their influence is evident in the intricate architecture and the grand monuments that dot the town. The Hoysalas were known for their patronage of art and culture, and this is reflected in the exquisite sculptures and temples that have stood the test of time. These structures are not just buildings, they are a testament to the artistic and architectural prowess of the Hoysala era. You can still see it today. The ruins and preserved buildings are a window into the past, offering a glimpse of the grandeur that once was. Tourists and history enthusiasts flock to Arsikere to explore these ancient sites, to walk the same paths that were once trodden by royalty and commoners alike. Each visit is a journey back in time, a chance to relive the glory days of the Hoysala dynasty. Old temples are everywhere with beautiful carvings on their walls. These temples are not just places of worship, they are works of art. The detailed carvings depict scenes from mythology, daily life and nature, showcasing the skill and creativity of the artisans of that era. Each temple is a masterpiece, a blend of spirituality and artistry that continues to inspire awe and admiration. These amazing temples remind us of a glorious past. They stand as silent sentinels, guarding the legacy of a time when art and culture flourished. The intricate architecture, the grandeur of the structures, and the sheer beauty of the carvings are a testament to the rich cultural heritage of Arsikere. They are a reminder of the town's illustrious history and its enduring legacy. Festivals here are full of color and music, celebrating the town's history. The vibrant parades, the traditional dances, and the joyous celebrations are a reflection of the town's rich cultural tapestry. Festivals are a time when the entire community comes together to celebrate their shared heritage, to honor their ancestors, and to keep their traditions alive. The streets come alive with the sounds of music and laughter, creating a festive atmosphere that is truly infectious. Ugadi, the Canada New Year, and Deepavali, the Festival of Lights, bring everyone together. These festivals are not just about rituals and customs, they are about community and togetherness. Ugadi marks the beginning of a new year, a time for new beginnings and fresh starts. Deepavali, with its dazzling lights and fireworks, symbolizes the victory of light over darkness, good over evil. These celebrations are a time for families to come together, for friends to reunite, and for the entire town to bask in the spirit of joy and camaraderie. Arsikere's history is full of exciting stories. From the tales of the Hoysala kings to the legends of the local heroes, the town is a treasure trove of fascinating narratives. Historical reenactments and guided tours bring these stories to life, offering a unique and immersive experience for visitors. These events are not just about entertainment. They are about preserving and sharing the rich history of Arsikere with the world. Every corner has a tale to tell. The old streets, the traditional houses, and the historical landmarks are all part of the town's rich tapestry. Each corner, each building has its own story, its own piece of history. As you explore the town, you can't help but feel a sense of connection to the past, a sense of wonder at the stories that have shaped Arsikere into the town it is today. The land around Arsikere is great for farming. It's a farmer's dream. Rice paddies shine in the sun and sugarcane dances in the breeze. You can smell the fresh crops in the air. Farming is super important to Arsikere. Farmers work hard to grow food for everyone. Their hands tell the story of their hard work. They grow rice, peanuts, sugarcane and beans. There are also lots of dairy farms, so you can find fresh milk and yogurt. Arsikere is full of delicious food, a gift from nature. Arsikere isn't just about farming. Lots of small businesses are doing well here too. These businesses give people jobs. Food factories make yummy treats and people weave beautiful cloth. They also make building materials to help the town grow. People here are starting their own businesses. The sounds of machines mix with the sounds of nature. It's like a song of progress. Arsikere's businesses are growing stronger, shaping the town's future. Arsikere is close to some amazing places. Nestled in the heart of Karnataka, this quaint town is a gateway to a treasure trove of historical and cultural wonders. From ancient temples to majestic statues, Arsikere offers a unique blend of history, spirituality, and architectural brilliance. Let's embark on a journey to uncover these hidden gems. Old temples are waiting to be explored. These temples, with their intricate carvings and timeless beauty, stand as a testament to the rich cultural heritage of Karnataka. Each temple tells a story, etched in stone, waiting for curious minds to unravel its mysteries. It's hard to resist the call of history. As you wander through these ancient sites, you'll feel a deep connection to the past. The detailed carvings and sculptures offer a glimpse into the lives and beliefs of the people who once thrived here. Get ready to be amazed by incredible buildings. The architectural marvels of Arsikere are not just structures, they are works of art. Each building, with its unique design and craftsmanship, reflects the ingenuity and creativity of its creators. Shravanabelagola is a special place for Jain pilgrims. This sacred site, known for its spiritual significance, attracts devotees from all over the world. The serene atmosphere and the sense of peace that pervades the area make it a perfect place for reflection and meditation. There's a giant statue of Lord Bahubali there. Standing tall at 57 feet, this monolithic statue is one of the largest freestanding statues in the world. It symbolizes the principles of Jainism and serves as a beacon of faith and devotion. It's so big it will take your breath away. The sheer size and grandeur of the statue leave visitors in awe. As you stand at its base and look up, you'll be struck by the sense of reverence and admiration that this magnificent sculpture inspires. The Chennakesava temple in Belur is a work of art. This temple, dedicated to Lord Vishnu, is renowned for its exquisite architecture and detailed carvings. Every inch of the temple is adorned with intricate designs that showcase the skill and artistry of the Hoysala craftsmen. The carvings tell stories from Hindu myths. From scenes of epic battles to depictions of divine beings, the temple walls are a canvas of mythological tales. Each carving is a masterpiece, capturing the essence of the stories and bringing them to life. Every little detail is amazing. The level of detail in the carvings is astounding. From the delicate expressions on the faces of the deities to the intricate patterns on their garments, every element is crafted with precision and care. Halebidu, the old Hoysala capital, is close by too. Once the thriving capital of the Hoysala Empire, Halebidu is now a treasure trove of historical and architectural wonders. The remnants of its glorious past can be seen in the beautifully carved temples and monuments that dot the landscape. Its temples are famous for their beauty. The temples of Halebidu are renowned for their intricate carvings and stunning architecture. Each temple is a testament to the artistic and architectural prowess of the Hoysala dynasty. It's like stepping back in time. As you explore the ancient sites of Halebidu, you'll feel as though you've been transported to a different era. The well-preserved structures and the rich history that surrounds them create an immersive experience that is both educational and awe-inspiring. Getting to Arsikere is easy. You can take a train or a bus. Trains connect lots of cities and towns. Buses travel on winding roads. Arsikere Junction is a busy train station. Trains from Bengaluru and Hassan come regularly. It's the perfect starting point for your adventure. The roads to Arsikere are beautiful too. State highways connect it to big cities. The trip itself is a treat for your eyes. People in Arsikere really care about education. There are lots of schools and colleges here. Students come from all around to learn. There are government schools and private schools offering good education for everyone. From elementary school to college, Arsikere has it all. There are also job training centres to help students learn important skills so they can find good jobs. Education is the key to a bright future. Like any growing town, Arsikere has some challenges. It needs better roads, sanitation and healthcare. Because so many people rely on farming, changes in the weather or the market can be a problem. It's important to have other kinds of businesses too, but the people of Arsikere are strong. They're working together to overcome these challenges. Arsikere is a town that's changing and growing. It's a mix of history, culture and progress. There are challenges, but the people are determined to succeed. The future looks bright. Tourism can bring new jobs. Businesses can grow with the right help. Arsikere is a hidden treasure waiting to be discovered. It's charming because it's simple. Its strength comes from its people. Welcome to Arsikere, a town on the rise.